Welcome back to the channel. As I said earlier in the video yesterday, I did order a physical copy of the game as well. I'm just that big of a Pokemon fan. It could be considered a waste to a lot of people probably, but I wanted the physical copy and a digital copy just so that I can get it on release day. But technically today is still release day because it is the 28th and it's Friday. Ironically, it's about the same time as I started filming the digital download yesterday, or well, it was today, but East Coast time. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. I bought it from Amazon. There was a pre-order bonus. Not gonna lie, I forgot what that is, but here's the game. Oops, a little dark. Let's move that over. Alright, so let's push down the light as well. Okay, so here's the game. I like the cover art. It's simple, but also really cool. And it shows both, well, you either pick one of these characters and then the other one is going to be the person who follows you along in the story. But you guys would have saw that when I did my little first look of the game. I'll link it in the description. Oh, dude, I really need an unboxing knife, but finally got that open. And we will see if they have anything inside. Most likely not, because Nintendo's pretty minimal about packaging, unless it's like a special edition, which I don't know why they haven't been releasing special editions for games recently, but I guess that's a good thing because you save money. So like I said, here's the front. You can see that. Let me brighten this. Oh, what the heck? There. So here's the front, and then the back. It's very simple, like I said. It has it just talks about the game. It says action meets RPG in a new kind of Pokemon adventure, which I agree. From what I've been playing, it's very different. Let's open it up, and it just shows the map of the region, and similar to Pokemon Diamond or Pokemon Shining Pearl and Brilliant Diamond, they both have this kind of case and the little nice graphic in the background. Here's the cartridge. It's pretty standard for all the games, but this unboxing slash yeah, oh sorry, it's been a long day, but this unboxing's been pretty simple, so I'm also going to add in a first look of the game, but this time I'm not going to do any commentary like I did in the last one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Without further ado, we're going to get straight into it, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the video descriptions for links to the games I have in my setup, because if you purchase it from my link, it helps me out a little bit. The content's pretty expensive, especially if it's dealing with like a game, because these games are like 60 bucks each. But anyways, let's get that first look, and see you guys in the next upload.